I do think, I mean, when I look at the Aero and the market in general, it's the whole concept of trying to integrate technologies and processes and functions together to create this ecosphere of electric mobility. I'll call it that. That would include drones as well as evTol, as well as fixed wing electric, type of things. So whether it be propulsion, aerodynamics, or electronics, this is one of those times in our history of aviation that all of those disciplines are in the process of evolving. A lot of times you mentioned, we talked a little bit about back, when the first Gulfstreams came out, and things like that. And those aircraft are fixed wing aircraft where the technology in a lot of ways was the aerodynamics and the electronics in the aircraft or engines, had history to them, and it was an evolution. Right now, we're seeing what I would call a more of a broader approach towards all these different technologies happening all at once, and the ability to integrate all those together safely and certify them is this exciting time. As I will go back to, I don't want to go too far back, but the transition from analog to digital. I mean, that was a huge thing in the 80s, right? I mean, big deal, right? I mean, things like stack overflows and stuff like that weren't even in our language at that time. We're creating that now. We're creating that type of technology where a new language will create new types of technologies and will forever change aviation for the next 10 to 20 years until the next kind of like revolution comes upon us.